M&DAMP, E. Building Services, in Faculty of Economics and Administration. Our case study is at Faculty of Economics and Administration. This building is located at Jalan Ilmu nearby the old Faya building, Asman Hashim Building and Asian Art Museum UM. This building is designed by Hijaz Kasturi and was built in 2005. Faya building is a 4-story high-rise building with a transportation system. Lighting system. Lamp can be classified into 3 categories, which are incandescent lamps, discharged lamps, and light-emitting diodes or LED. For Faculty of Economics and Administration, most of the rooms and spaces are using the discharged lamps. Discharged lamp can be either fluorescent lamps or high-intensity discharged lamps or HID. At the seminar rooms, the type of lamp that being used are tubular fluorescent lamps with surface-mounted louvered luminaires. Disadvantage of using this lamp are, it can provide a good shielding of the lamps and reduce the direct glare that can eliminate the fixture glare reflected on computer screens. At the 3rd floor area, the type of lamp that being used are compact fluorescent lamps with high bay luminaires. The advantage of using this type lamps are it's good in energy saving that can save up to 80% energy saving compared to standard incandescent lamps. This type of lamps also suitable for placing at high places. It is easy to maintain. Next is downlighter. This type of lamps being used at lobby area and at the outdoor ceiling. This downlighter also good and create a patch of light as a visual effect and not suitable for general lighting. Beside that is the fluorescent lamps with basic surface-mounted modular luminaires. This type of light are being used at pathway for every floor, toilets and prayer room. This type lamp has a neat appearances and has a moderate efficiency and glare rating. Next is the emergency lighting. There are 2 types of emergency lighting that being used in this faculty, which are typical fluorescent bulkhead luminaire and emergency exit. The typical fluorescent bulkhead luminaire is being placed at every seminar room and office, including the walkway and lobby, for emergency lighting if the electricity has been cut off. The emergency exit is being placed at every door of room and also at the staircase to assist people in reaching the escape route. Fire safety system, active. Fire extinguisher. Manually fire protection devices to control or extinguish fire. Why choose IT? Because it is a dry chemical ABC powder that suits for all type of fire. Fire hydrant and hose reel. Fire hydrant provide water source that attach to the end of the hose. It enables the hose to control the direction and flow of water. There is no fire hydrant here as there is a direct water supply from the tank attached at the hose. It enables the hose to control the direction and flow of water. Smoke detector. This device will detect the smoke then issue a signal to trigger fire safety system. These devices can be found in the cafe's kitchen and in lobby area. Fire alarm system. Manual break glass alarm. Breaking the fire glass during emergency will alert the occupant to escape from that area or building in form of audible and visible. Next is control panel. Control panel will receives information from devices that shows signal to determine which part of the building is in problem. Fire safety system passive. Lift bump. During emergency, lifts will trigger lift homing action. It will move to the lowest floor of building and prohibited any people to use it except be used by firemen to carry out their work. Transportation system, lift. Transportation system used in this building is elevator system. The elevator is used as passenger services and firefighting services when emergency. Type of mechanism used for the elevator in this building is geared traction elevator as there is control room at level 4. The elevator can have speeds to 500 feet per minute and has capacity from 500 kilograms to 2,700 kilograms. The general control is installed like overload sensor, air conditioning unit for comforting, control panel with various button, alarm button, call button, door open/close button. Basically there are 2 common elevator system been used, which are hydraulic system and traction. For this building, the type of system that being used are geared traction elevator system. The advantage of using this type of system are, the car reach maximum speed, 500 feet/m, which is more faster than hydraulic system. This system also good in energy efficiency because the counterweight balances the car's weight. When the cars goes up, the counterweight goes down, and vice versa. So less force is applied, less strain on cables, less energy used on motor, and it can reduce amount of braking. The maintenance of the elevator are not regular compared to hydraulic system.
There are 2 main substations in UM, which are PPU1 and PPU2. Electric from PPU1 is supplied from Bangsar. PPU1 is always in the state of standby and only being used when PPU2 is malfunction. Electric from PPU2 is supplied from Damansara and it is always active. PPU2 worth 23 million ringgit after including GST. For the electricity to flow from TNB to Faculty of Economic and Administration. First of all, the electricity is flow from the Ternarga National Berhad TNB to two main substations, which are PPU1 and PPU2 with 33 kilovolts. The voltage is then being stepped down by transformer from 33 kilovolt to 11 kilovolt. The electricity is then flow from the main substations to substations in after being stepped down by transformer from 11 kilovolts to 415 volt. There are altogether 66 substations inside The electricity is then flow from the substations to the main switchboard, which is situated behind the new building of Faculty of Economic and Administration. Power of the current is being controlled and flow to the sub-switchboard and lastly the distribution board.
Installed inside the FEA building is a split system. The split system is chosen due to budget calculation, costing and also for the future maintenance of that building. The size and the volume of the room become the factor of choosing the system. FEA tutorial room is quite small, thus it is effective to use split. Actually, they can install centralized or VRV, but the cost will be expensive. Thus, it's because cost constraint and it is more saving for maintenance and installation if using split. About locating the indoor unit, due to the spacious area of the room but not that long in length, the aircon need to be located at the right side of the room. This to assist the air so that it can easily to be spread.
Dekat dalam pipe ni mestilah dah panas kan. So dia masuk ke kompresor, kompres supaya dia compress and dia sejuk. Okay, bila dah masuk sini, kat sini pun ada kipas. Ni pun ada kipas. Dia ada kipas lagi. Dia blowkan lagi yang panas-panas tu supaya lagi sejuk. Then dia masuk kat sini. Ni macam satu sistem tak lain, nanti tak faham. Ni